Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone, update the camera and Google Apps so lens features are current. Once done, make sure camera has camera and storage permissions, and enable Google Lens or search in camera settings. Now open the camera app and set it to photo or lens mode. You want the live view active. This gets you immediately to the point where you can draw a selection, so you don't waste time toggling modes later. Next, tap the lens or search icon visible on the camera screen. You'll see a live analysis overlay. Now draw a circle with your finger around the object or text you want to identify. Make the circle tight enough to exclude background, and if needed, pinch to zoom so details are clearer. Once your selection looks right, lift your finger and tap search or the result card that appears. The system will return matches and finally review the search results and tap through for shopping links, translated text, or more information. If results are poor, retry with better lighting, reduce clutter, or move closer so the camera can focus. This improves recognition. If the circle selection won't work, force close the camera app, check lens is enabled in settings, and restart the phone. That single troubleshooting step, restart and re-enable lens, fixes most detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.